people. Oh, don't give me the finger. God damn it.
Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
I'm just gonna go around you folks. Thanks. Bye. Woohoo! Turbo. That's a turbo. Man. Fucking awesome day, brothers. It's just this glorious day. 800-pound motorcycle, 107 cubic inches, not a cloud in the sky, totally blue from horizon to horizon. Just couldn't ask for better. Except I'm passing a police station now. Hi, Mr. Policeman. How are you? Man, this is a great time, man. Great time being out here. I want to personally thank my wife for giving me permission to actually go outside the house. No, I'm just kidding. I'd like to thank my wife for letting me head on out today. The sun's out, the air is relatively cool, it's dry. Yeah, these are the seize the day moments, people. And now what's better than a perfect day and a beautiful bike and a beautiful day? And all of you joining me, all you beautiful people out there, is a beautiful open road in front of me with no cars. Gotta love that too. Go at my own pace. It's good times. These are life's little moments you just have to enjoy, for they don't come all that often. You can count finite the amount of perfect days like this. Perfect riding conditions, perfect rides, perfect moods. It's not an infinite count, it's a finite count. Which means that there's only so many of them before you die. Trying something new by not turning my head level with the ground in the turn to see if it's more cinematic. I had a close friend tell me that it's more dramatic for the viewer to go into the turn like this as opposed to like this, because this is the way you naturally do on a motorcycle. You straighten your head. But if we do this, you get more sense of the turn. So tell me if that is the case, my peoples. Glorious peoples. Oh, don't give me the finger. God damn it. Feels totally unnerving to do that. My head is frozen on my shoulder and will not pivot the way it should work. This is not conducive to good riding. But the things I do for my fans, you subscribers. Ew, yuck. Look at that. Yuck. So one thing I want to do, folks, is not too long ago I broke over 100 subscribers. Woohoo! I personally want to thank you for making that happen. Thank you for tuning into my channel, enjoying my videos, and subscribing. Because I do it for my fans. I tell you what.